We know, of course, you have been following Front Page, which means you saw this coming. Google just launched Gemini on Mac. But this is not about a Mac app. This is Google admitting it is losing the interface war. Google just announced a native Gemini desktop app on macOS. Press Option plus space and Gemini shows up on any screen. It can see your window, understand your document code or data, and answer based on what you're actually working on. No tab switching, copy paste, or for that matter, context rebuilding. So think about how AI worked till now. Open a browser, paste your problem, get an answer. Translate it back to your work. That loop happens dozens of times a day. Gemini just made sure it destroyed that very loop. Now, of course, it's ask AI about what's already on your screen. Get an answer instantly. That sounds, well, like a small achievement and a big mental issue to have been taken care of. It's not. That's the difference between AI as a tool and AI as a co-worker. But here is the slightly disturbing part for Google. Anthropic already did this, as we know. Claude Co-work launched months ago, a desktop agent that can access files, manage workflows, operate across apps. Google is not leading here. It is catching up. Now, let's step back and understand this. This is actually the real AI battleground. Microsoft has Copilot inside Office and Windows. Apple has Apple Intelligence inside Mac OS. Well, that's still questionable, but anyway. Anthropic has agentic desktop apps, OpenAI, ChatGPT Desktop. And now, Google finally enters the desktop layer. Because if Gemini lives only in the browser, as you can see, it loses by default. And now here's the part which almost everyone seems to have missed. Sundar Pichai said, this app was prototyped in just a few days. This wasn't built the traditional way. It was built using anti-gravity, which is Google's internal AI coding system. Multiple AI agents, plan architecture, write code, run tests, debug, all happening in parallel. This Mac app is a proof that AI is now building AI products. Every developer watching this just had their little timelines repriced. I hope not. Well, of course, what used to take months now is taking days. And here, of course, is the front page take. So yes, Gemini is now on Mac. But the real story is not the application. It's this. The AI race is now about who owns your screen and how fast they can ship. What do you think? If you think that this is a big development, please do let us know in the comments below. Even if you don't think it's a good development, still let us know in the comments below, because your comments matter to us. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.